I love getting fresh corn out of my garden, and one of the things that I like to do with my fresh corn is make corn salsa. This is actually just a really good recipe. I could sit there all day long and snacking on it, and I feel like there's so much freshness in that. So many of these vegetables actually come from my garden, and so that makes me really happy to eat what I've grown. I prepare my vegetables by first cutting all of my corn kernels off of the cob. I really like to use a mandolin for this because I feel like it's so fast, but I've also done it with a knife before, and my mother even says that an electric knife works really fast too. Then I dice up 3 small tomatoes and 1 small or half of a large onion. I also dice up my avocado. Now for me, I actually use some that I had diced up previously and frozen. And then I dice up 1 large red pepper, although I've used green peppers for it before too, and it actually tastes great. So then I'll combine my 4 cups of corn, my 3 tomatoes, my 1 small onion, my avocados, which is anywhere from 1 avocado up to 2. I like to use the large ones. Really, when it comes to avocado, I feel like the more the better, because these ones have been frozen before, they're a little bit softer. And then my 1 diced red pepper. On top of that, I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I just mix it together gently. If your avocado is not as soft as mine, you might not have to be as gentle as I am. And that's all there is to making the corn salsa. Super good, super fresh. It's kind of amazing. So I better do my taste tester now. So you get the sweet taste of the corn as well as that fresh flavor of the tomatoes and the peppers. And then you have that healthy oil that's added with the avocado as well as the olive oil. And so that extra little bit of fat there actually makes you feel more satisfied as you eat it. And it just has such great flavor to it. I really recommend this one.